Hold on to what you try to be.
So heading my way to Zagreb, from Zagreb into Bosnia, and I've just come flying around this corner, expecting there to be another part of the tarmac, and it's just it's now just turning into this. That was truly horrible for me. Oh. Just finished about 10 miles of doing that gravel stuff. And, I don't know if I enjoyed it. I guess as I go further east, it's only going to get worse. I mean, like, I was averaging maybe about 20 kilometers an hour, and yeah, for most of you bikers, you probably think, oh, what a pussy, but for me, it's just too uncomfortable with the loose gravel and everything like that. It just feels like I'm going to fall off every time the wheel turns around. But anyway, onwards and upwards. Hello.
Hello.
Oh. Thank you.
Your signature.
Okay, now the name of this. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye bye.
Nice day.
You too. So basically, I've just had to pay insurance on top of my insurance because they're asking that I need a green card. So yeah, first day in Bosnia. I'm at a place called Jasce, and after initially I think it's going to be pretty expensive to camp and stuff. I was thinking about 20 euros or something like that. Managed to score this place with no one here. Tennis courts, table tennis, Wi-Fi. There's a place to cook over there for about the equivalent of about £2.50. I mean, better. So yeah, I've got a couple more days here. Had a brilliant day today, just driving down the Varna, I'll get back to that, Varna Valley. Just beautiful landscape, and I was just driving down it for about an hour and a half. It was just lovely, following a big river.
So, day 2 in Bosnia, feeling fresh, but looking forward to today, heading down towards Sarajevo to the old Olympic site, but it's a bit like war torn. I want to go see the old bobsled track. It's quite an attractive, arty kind of thing at the moment, and then start heading out the other side towards Serbia, I guess. So yeah, fresh.
Pretty sure it's got to be somewhere around here. Sarajevo. finally found it. Shit me. It's crazy to think that not too long ago there's hundreds of people cheering on the athletes going down here in the Sarajevo Olympics, but now it's just falling apart. Small buildings. I've only just seen the start of it, but you can also already see, like, it's only 30 years ago, it should be in much better shape than this. But obviously, because the breakup with Yugoslavia, it's just been where the people need to, during the wars, need their food and water. Obviously, this is the last in line to get looked after. Wow. Anyway, let's go see further down. Come on, mate. Okay, I'm at the Serbian border. It's about half five at night. I wasn't expecting to get across today. I thought it was a lot further away. And they have let me through on the insurance that I bought yesterday, which was only 3 days long, so I've got to get across the country in a day. But whatever's left today, maybe a couple of hours, and then tomorrow. Yeah, see how it goes. There's the police. Don't want to do it too much in case they have a problem. But yeah, see you later.